Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to try some new scanner which may be working good. So based on hammer, let me find out the hammer candle which present at the day 1 candle or the first 15 minutes candle if any. So most of the time the first 15 minutes candle plays a major role and important candle. So because yesterday's volume and the closing position and opening new position, those we know the news and such a kind of candle that was. So more important candle at the first 15 minutes, so that may giving you the good chances to read the further market on the till 3:30 or in intraday itself. So if any candle which forms a reversal candle at the first 15 minutes would be the best opportunity to find out such a stocks, may give you some good opportunity to trade. So on the first 15 minutes itself, if you forms any reversal candle, let's say take any stocks, we'll try what I'm going to trying to tell you that the first 15 minutes candle may tell you the opportunity whether the stock is going to give you good profit or not. So here you see that on 8th August, the first 15 minutes candle, that was a high like I wave candle, right? So the upper wick and lower wick also very big. So such a candlestick pattern which forms on the day 1. So this is what on 5th August having a very bullish candle with a long upper tail and without lower shadow, so it can move up. See here is another candle. So if the first candle at the day 1, if any first candle which forms a hammer or shooting star or doji, maybe the good reversal opportunity is there in the first 15 minutes. So let me create a scanner by the first 15 minutes which forms a hammer. Let me try it out. This is what my new try. So if it is success, we can use the scanner. So let's open a Chartink. Okay, I'm going to create a scan. So already I have made a lot of videos to hammer candle. So I'm going to use futures. So we use first 15 minutes. So we already know how to create the bracket value. That is what open minus low. So we are calculating the open and low price. Open minus low price. So that would be a 15 minutes. The zero candle, instead of zero candle you should use first candle equal to. So here also with the first 15 minutes, the zero candle, you have to change first 15 minutes candle. That will find out only the stock which forms a first 15 minutes only. The first candle only it will be considered. So we will use must be greater than or equal to bracket value. So the bracket value we use to calculate the values, right? So the close and minus open, close minus open. Let me try whether it was okay. So here we are going to use a 15 minutes. That is what the first 15 minutes candle. Here also 15 minutes. So 15 minutes open. We use first 15. The equal to it means that is a you are calculating the first 15 minutes candle. So I use number 3.5. Right, this is a hammer candle. The lower wick would be bigger than the higher wick and compared to the body. So once we created this, simply you can copy the same thing, and here we are going to use open minus close. Small changes on that. Open minus close, here less than or equal to. So once you done it, less than or equal to the same bracket value, close minus open. Here use close minus open multiplied by number 1. So this is what a candle which present hammer. Let me check it out. What are the stocks which is forms? Oh my god! So a lot of stocks which forms a hammer candle. Just wait, please. So many stocks. So once you find out many stocks, it's not good to trade. So let's check these stocks: Z Entertainment, India Cement. Let's go for a Z Entertainment. And the first 15 minutes candle would be a hammer. It is the first 15 minutes candle, this one. So it's not looks like a hammer, but it was went up. And India Cement forms such a candle, and end of the day it reacts well. So we have to change something where we made a mistake here. Close minus open. First 15 minutes close minus open. Sorry, here we have to multiply past, not if you run the scan. So we have different kind of stocks, and again Z Entertainment will present here. Coal India. Let me go for a Coal India. Coal India. It's a big candle at, this is what a candle. Okay, so we have to filter by the open. So we will filter out by the green candle. The first 15 minutes candle should be, it must be a green candle. It's greater than, sorry, letters closed must be greater than the open. Greater than open first 15 minutes candle, right? If you filter out, again a lot of stocks we got it where we made a mistake. Open minus close. Oh, sorry, here is the mistake. We use I minus close. I minus close is close minus open, right? So this looks difficult to understand, but while you know the candlesticks how it is, so you have to add that high minus low, what would be the value, low minus high, what would be the value, close minus open, or open minus close. So if you follow that, you will be getting that. Now if I filter out, so we have a very small number of stocks. Then how it became Z Entertainment. Let me check it out. Zeal. It's from a hammer candle. No, on the date yesterday. What happened? Check it out. The bracket one open minus low must be close minus open number 3.5. That's right. And bracket 15 minus 1 high minus close is less than equal to 15 minus close minus open multiplied by number 1. So all are right. Just we'll check it out. Hindalco, Gujarat Gas. It is not opening. Hindalco. There is the mistake. Here also be the mistake. We have to multiply it. Let's see now. So we made a mistake at this point. So we have to multiply. We made it minus negative. So now Whirlpool India. Let's go for a Whirlpool Bank of Baroda. Whirlpool India, Bank of Baroda. Let's look at this as a big hammer candle at first 15 minutes. Right. So how we can use the entry once the stock is crossing above the high, the day low as a stop loss, but it's not giving you such a big result, but it is a biggest wick of the candle, so we may avoid such a thing. And second one is Bank of Baroda. Let me check Bank Baroda. Yes, the second one also forming a hammer at the first 15 minutes candle. So where it forms the breakout at this next 15 minutes, immediately it went little bit, maybe 1:1. So persistence and JK Cement. Let me check persistence. That is also forms. It maybe triggers your stop loss. There is a big stop loss. And second one. Okay. Last one is JK Cement. Okay. So if you add this conditions, let me check these 4 stocks. And another. So if you want to check if the second candle of the day should be hammer, let me find out. Second candle second. Where are the 1 equal to 1? You have to change that equal to 1 to equal to. There I do it now. No. So this code will find out those stock which forms a hammer at the second candle. So let me go to find out hammer. Oh, lot of stock which forms a hammer at second candle. Let me check Coal India. Coal India. Second candle also a hammer. How it became? Yeah, this is the second candle. Something wrong. Second. Coal India. What's the date? The first candle is a hammer, right? But the second candle looks like a hammer. How it became possible? So second 15 minutes close, it must be greater than. But in Coal India, 8th August 9:30 candle, it's not greater than. But how it coming here? Let's we take VDL. Something mistake here. Check it out on the number 1 candle. But let the scan. It became this much of stocks. Something changed here. Let me check it out where we made mistake. Sorry, you are used to -1 candle. So we use first candle, right? Sorry, we made mistake here. So not -1, it's equal to 1 candle. So that is the issue where we find out equal to 1, equal to 1, equal to 1. Okay, so there is a mistake. So while making the code, you can see this is where we are using. So okay, that's first candle as a doji, sorry, hammer, that will works. Okay, if you want to change this scanner on the second candle, you have to use second candle, not a previous candle. You have to use second candle. That is the mistake we made. And let me go to check the second candle. So a lot of people are asking you how to make a scanner. This may be helping you to the second candle. So here the second candle, and again here is the second, here is the second candle. So here finding out the second candle which forms a hammer. So let me try it out. So Bharat Forge and the multi MCX. So these two stocks are the which forms a second candle. Bharat Forge. Maybe the second candle also will help you. This one, the second candle, 8th August, it's a hammer, and it breaks and it may be triggering your stop loss. And the second one is MCX. Yeah, here MCX, it's a second candle, I think 9:30. So this works well around from 1 to 84, and it went up huge. So this way we can find out taken a lot of time from you. So this way we can find out the second and first candle would be a hammer candle. So you may use and try it out how it works and let me know. If you follow this, you can comment how it is working. Thank you for watching this and thank you very much.